Welcome to our guide on unlocking YouTube's earning potential. In this video, we'll show you how you can make money on the platform. So let's get started. Step 1. Build your channel first. You need to choose a niche for your channel. Find something you're passionate about and that will resonate with your target audience. Your channel can be about anything, from gaming to cooking, beauty, or even product review. Step 2. Create quality content. Now that you have your niche, it's time to create quality content. Invest in good equipment such as a high-resolution camera and a quality microphone. Your viewers deserve the best, so make sure your videos are well lit, have clear audio, and engaging visual. Step 3. Consistency is key to grow your audience and monetize your channel. You need to be consistent. Upload videos regularly and stick to a schedule that works for you. This will help build trust with your subscribers and keep them coming back for more. Step 4. Optimize for discoverability. To increase your chances of earning money on YouTube, optimize your videos for discoverability. Use relevant keywords in your titles, descriptions, and tags. This will make it easier for people to find your content when searching for related topics. Step 5. Monetize your channel. Once you've built a loyal following, it's time to monetize your channel. Enable the YouTube Partner Program and join the YouTube Partner Program. This will allow you to earn money through ads, channel memberships, and merchandise shop. Step 6. Collaborate and expand. Don't be afraid to collaborate with other YouTubers in your niche. This can help you reach new audiences and gain more exposure. Additionally, consider expanding your revenue streams by selling digital products, creating sponsored content, or launching your own merchandise. And that's it. Follow these steps, stay dedicated, and you'll be on your way to unlocking YouTube's earning potential. Thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos like this one.